I'm Jennifer, and today is January 1st, 2022, National Black-Eyed Pea, National Hangover, and National Bloody Mary Day, as well as National Fruitcake Toss Day, which takes place on the first Saturday of every January. Now, why do we eat black-eyed peas on January 1st? It's really popular in the American South to eat black-eyed peas with collard greens, and according to John Egerton, black-eyed peas are associated with a mystical and mythical power to bring good luck. As for collard greens, they're green like money and will ensure you a financially prosperous new year. There's evidence going back to 500 AD that people ate black-eyed peas as luck as part of the Jewish holiday New Year, Rosh Hashanah. The tradition of eating black-eyed peas with rice is African in nature and spread through the American South. And a very popular dish to eat is called Hoppin John. Now, depending how you eat or what you eat your black-eyed peas with is what the different representation of luck is. So if you eat it served with cornbread, it represents gold. And if you stew it with tomatoes, it represents wealth and health. Sometimes a coin is placed in the pot of black-eyed peas, and whoever gets it will have the most luck. So Happy New Year. I hope you have a lot of luck. And if you'd like to have some recipes to eat today, look down below and I've got a link for Hoppin John's. And if you don't want to eat your black-eyed peas with collard greens or with rice, I also have a recipe for black-eyed pea salsa that my friend shared with me. It's vegan and it's a salsa which is a very popular way to eat black-eyed peas in Texas. It's also called cowboy caviar. So look down below for the links to the recipes, and Happy New Year.